Look at all the stuff you tore up.
His concerns, which would tell you that he must have an awful lot of concerns if DeMarcus Russell is the least of them right now, because Russell really has struggled. He is not looked comfortable in the pocket. He has not identified the open receivers.
Look at all the stuff that she got to. Yep.
Who do you trust? You hand the franchise over at that point in time to Bruce Gradkowski? Is he really the answer over DeMarcus Russell? They invested a #1 overall pick in him, a lot of money in him, and they have no choice right now but to stand by him.
All right, Adam, how about the Titans? The head coach Jeff Fisher says Jared Collins
What are you doing?
Quarterback, at least for Sunday against the Patriots. He did concede, though, there may be a point when he could make the switch to Vince Young, but again, he kept stressing, maybe, possibility, I could. I didn't say I would. When do you think a switch would happen?
Pebbles. Hey, come here. Sit down. Yeah, she's not listening to me right now. Sit down. Good girl.